Yes, in our last video, we looked at vowel 6 and 7, but this time we are looking at vowel 8 and 9, all right, which is oo and who respectively. Oo and who respectively. Vowel number 8 is who, all right. So that one, vowel number 9 is who, all right. So the first one is not long, it's a short vowel, while the second one is a long vowel. So we have the varieties of spellings as usual under the first short O. In this case, we have the first one, which is what? OO, all right? Second one, OU. Third one, single O. Then we have single U. Take notes. Here, what did I pronounce it as? Ooh. It sounds like O, but it's not O. Ooh. But this one is woo. Ooh. Woo. Ooh. Woo. All right? So in this case now, you can no longer say book, but you say book. My books, not my books. My books. The same thing with good. That's good, not that's good. That's good. So you have a case of book, you have a case of good by way of transcription. Okay? Then you have the other variety of spelling there, which is what? OU, cold. Not could. I could not go is not the right pronunciation, but I couldn't, I could. Not the other one is would. I would have done it. Not I would. I would have done it. I would have done it. Then nothing like woman is woman. Woman. All right? Woman. Woman. Then we have bosom. All right? Bosom. Bosom. All right? Not bosom. Bosom. Then we have another one here, which is full sound. Case of pot. Pot. The basket is full. Full, not full. Full. All right? That's for short. Full. All right? Yes. Then we talk about the long one, which is who. All right? Who. This one is very deep in pronunciation. So we have varieties of spelling here, which is what? O, as in the following words. Lose, not loose. Lose. The who. Lose. Do, not do. Do. All right? To. I went to. All right? Move. Move. All right? So you have all of these on the lines. Then here, lose, do, to, move. Okay? Then what about the ones with double O's? Where you have food, 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 spoon. I believe you can transcribe all of this right now. Okay? Yes, because if I want to transcribe pool now, just put this one L. All right? Then transcribe brute or food. If I want to transcribe food, for example, I'll just have this. And that's what I'll have there. Then food, 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 food. Then spoon, spoon. All these ones are long oohs. Then brute, rude. Okay? Then we have the other spelling, just single U standing, which is brute, root. You have UI, fruit, and juice. Fruit, juice. All right? Fruit, juice. All right? So that's that. Then we have EW there. New. New. The book is new. It's a new book. Then few. Then we have through. Then we have blue. True. And of course, we have a glue by way of new. EW. All right? You are transcribing now. What do you have? This. All right? Transcribe few. You have through. We have come this way. All right? See the way they are transcribed. Okay, then blue. All right? Blue. True. Okay? Glue. All right, so you see this UE, UE. Then you have a case of, take note, this word is not coup. It's called coup. Coup d'etat, for example, coup. So you have, if you want to transcribe coup here, all right? What you have is this. That's the transcription. Coup. All right? So you have cool, we have you, then you have troop. All right. Then you have shoe. Transcribe shoe. Let me see. We have long S plus what? Uh, shoe. Then two will now be like this. All right, which is the next word there. All right. So that's that for vowel number 8 and 9. So that in our next class we look at the other vowels.